Hi everyone. Today I am talk about absorption of carbohydrates and proteins. So first, absorption of carbohydrates. All the carbohydrates in the food are absorbed in the form of monosaccharides. The most abundant of the absorbed monosaccharides is glucose. Glucose absorption occurs in a co-transport mode with active transport of sodium. Galactose also co-transport mode with active transport of sodium. Conversely, fructose transport occurs by facilitated diffusion all the way through the intestinal epithelium but not coupled with sodium transport. Much of the fructose on entering the cell becomes phosphorylated, then converted to glucose and finally transported in the form of glucose the rest of the way into the blood. Fructose is not co-transported with sodium, so its overall rate of transport is equal to half that of glucose or galactose. Next, absorption of proteins. Most proteins after digestion are absorbed in the form of dipeptides, tripeptides and a few free amino acids. Most of this transport occurs by a sodium co-transport mechanism is called co-transport or secondary active transport of the amino acids and peptides. A few amino acids who do not require the sodium co-transport mechanism are transported through special membrane transport proteins by facilitated diffusion. At least 5 types of sodium amino acids or peptide supported proteins for transporting amino acids and peptides have been found in the luminal membrane of intestinal epithelial cells, one each for acidic, basic, neutral and amino acids as well as for peptides. These transports bind amino acids only after binding sodium. The fully loaded transporter then undergoes a conformational change that dumps sodium and the amino acid into the cytoplasm, followed by its reorientation back to the original form. Absorption of amino acids is also absolutely dependent on the electrochemical gradient of sodium across the epithelium. The basolateral membrane of the enterocyte contains additional transporters which export amino acids from the cell into the blood. These are not dependent on sodium gradients. Okay, thank you.